Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm a backyard gardener in South Carolina, and I have an audacious dream to change the way people think about growing food. We often approach growing food from an isolationist perspective. How do I keep these plants safe from the outside world? Protect them from pests and predators while bringing in all the nutrients they need to survive. But plants didn't evolve in a safe, isolated world. They formed relationships with the life around them, both harmful and beneficial, and created balanced ecosystems full of give and take. Large-scale farming, as it exists today, separates plants from the ecosystem at large, filling in the gaps left open with pesticides and fertilizers, which are a detriment to the earth as a whole. And these methods trickled down to home gardeners, who are now following the approach of pesticides to replace beneficial insect predators and fertilizers to replenish nutrients in dead soil. Through my garden as an example, I like to reverse this thinking from the ground up, with the new gardeners. I want to be an example and a teacher, showing new gardeners a different path. Instead of bringing in a pesticide, I try to think, how can I make this ecosystem more balanced? What does the predator for that pest need that I'm missing? Humanity is not fated to be simply a parasite to the earth. We can live symbiotically with the life around us, caring for it and receiving a harvest in return.